Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. This is actually carton, so we're gonna be on carton video. So here we have is the Mobil 1 extended performance for up to 1 year or 12,000 now. It's an oil filter. So whenever you do whenever you do oil changes, make sure you change your oil filter along with your oil, and of course, re-upgrade your washers on your oil plug. That's the most important thing because that's what happened to me before. I've used various types of oil plugs, oil like Castrol GTX, the standard O'Reilly's. By the way, huge shout out to O'Reilly. Once again, they're always having my back and always, always helping me out with the small things. If something's wrong, they immediately change it. Love O'Reilly. If you guys want to sponsor me, let me know. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this right here. So this is the oil right here, and it sucks because I don't have another example of another oil filter. But as long as you have this groove right here, I've seen that they don't have any grooves on their other end. I noticed that my tank doesn't get as dirty as before, and it's weird. I know. I've literally emptied out my tank, and I've seen it from the inside. It's so strange. But yeah, this helps block all the dirt and dust and everything from going into your fuel tank, and basically the oil itself, you don't want it to be yeah, full of like basically corrode and all the small things. So then all your pistons and all your engine components, and yeah, it's gonna be like it's gonna be out of nowhere. How do I know? Because from my gas filter, mine's from the inside, and I remember where I just literally cleaned everything out, got rid of all the gas. Same thing works with the oil filter. I know we have a lot of oil filters, gas filter, etc. But yeah, guys, never skimp out on an oil filter. I've learned the hard way. I know it's like, you shouldn't spend no more than 20 bucks on these. I'm like, honestly, I got Mobil 1 oil actually, and high mileage, so full synthetic. You got to go with that, especially if you have more than 200,000 miles on your car. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to get a review, and I'll let you know a year from now. Right now, I have a standard, I think I have a Fram oil filter currently. And let's see how this baby will do compared to the other one. I really, really want to get a K&N filter, but I'll probably save that for later on. So when I do get the K&N filter, hopefully you can revert back to this video and then do a comparison, a side-by-side comparison. I'll save the other oil filter and we'll compare that with the K&N. But for now, guys, yeah, I just wanted to show you the Mobil 1 extended performance. This is the model M1 104A high efficiency high capacity oil filter. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know how you feel. What oil filter do you guys use? What do you prefer, and why do you prefer it? Because I have a feeling, well, I use Mobil 1 because I use Exxon gas. So I feel like, hey, they're collaborative. So maybe that might help my gas mileage or increase it, or making sure that my engine is running smoothly. So yeah, and of course, full synthetic high mileage oils, conventional oils, of course. And it has a durable anti-brake back valve, prevents oil from danger to protect engines during startups, which that tends to happen a lot. So I want to avoid that. And of course, prevent leaks over longer oil changes. So, and there it is, guys. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And yeah, like I said, leave me the comments. How do you feel, and why do you prefer this, or why don't you like this oil filter? And give me your feedback. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.